We interrupt programming to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for east central Young County, southwestern Wise County, southern Jack County, northwestern Parker County, and northeastern Palo Pinto County until 9:45. A cluster of severe thunderstorms is located along a line extending from Jacksboro to Graham, moving east at 30 miles per hour. These storms will likely contain not much in the way of hail, but some strong gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings issued for eastern Jack and Young, Wise, Parker, and Palo Pinto counties until 9:45. A cluster of severe thunderstorms underway from Jacksboro to Graham, moving southeast at about 30 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
So $100 Kroger gift card for back